Guys, I'm at a friend's house in the Design District area here in Miami, in Wynwood, and just wanted to show you the yard of my friend here with some of the trees they're growing. Got a pineapple right here. Look at that, how pretty. And it's growing right in the base of what used to be a coconut tree. Wow. Some salvia right there. And check this out. Look at this papaya right here. You got some papayas ready to be picked right there. Wow, look how beautiful. Got more flowers coming on the top. And it just grew right there through the fence. Look at that. Wow. That is beautiful. It's loaded with papayas. Wow, check this out. Got a citrus tree here. I think it's a lemon tree. Not sure. I'll ask her. Oh, look, an avocado tree right here, flowering. This year, all the avocado trees are flowering everywhere. So it could be a good year this year. See right here? It's about probably around like 10 or 11 feet tall. It puts the leaves around the trunk there. That's nice. Oh, look at all got a lot more pineapples back here. Some mint and more pineapples. I have like 10 pineapples here, salvia, and another orange or lemon tree. Oh, we got some pigeon peas, gandules right here. Wow, this is really nice. They have like beautiful yellow flowers when the flowers are really pretty. Yeah. And look, this one's like probably like 11 feet tall, and it's got a nice spreading canopy right here. Oh, this is the outdoor cooking area here. It's really nice. Yeah. Very pretty. And then, oh, we have our friend right here. Hey, Mishu. And then here we got some more pineapples. And we have another little, I think this is a lemon tree right here, yeah. We got a banana tree. And we have a custard apple or sugar apple, custard apple, one of the unknown ones, not sure. But very nice. So this is a little small yard, but you can still grow a lot. You could even fit a lot more trees if you wanted to in certain areas around here, and you know, you can enjoy it. But there's nothing better than coming out here and getting some food and having some trees. It just, you know, you get something to eat that's fresh and healthy, and at the same time you can just relax, enjoying nature, which not only is this great for, you know, your own health, but it's also really good for your mind. It's gardening is really great for your mind. You know, it relaxes you, it gets you back kind of like in touch with nature, with, you know, you get your hands full of dirt. It has a good effect on you. You almost have to do it. If you don't do it, you know, try it out and you'll see. Okay guys, quick video here of my trip to my friend's house and show you some of the fruit trees that she has. Hope you enjoy it. God bless.